1100 Allure. So we're right here at the entrance to the community. That's the 95 on the other side of that park, which is at the end of the street here. And this is the access road, which I believe is Summerlin, the little courtyard area. Definitely a junking fee. Should be included in the budget. Of course, replace all the blinds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blinds on the first floor, what I've seen so far. I would assume replace everything, paint everything. You know, I think that's fairly safe to say. So washer and dryer here. Okay, the light's not working. The furnace is in here. Some trash. Okay. So yeah, rip all this flooring up. Get the PM opinion on what to do exactly with the flooring. Obviously tile in some areas, but do we want any carpet down here? Probably not, because it's all high traffic because of the size of the unit. New faucets, actually that light fixture may be okay, but I would replace it. Maybe remove all the extra thingies. I don't think that window needs a blind, so I didn't include it. About $165 to replace a fan. Some extra storage. Okay. Of course, remove the lift. Carpet's about $1.50 a square foot. Place that blind. Okay, so this is a bedroom, but it has this window, which is the loft. So there's not a lot of privacy. Okay, lights aren't turning on. This counter actually looks fine. Maybe get a new drain thing, new faucet, paint these cabinets. Of course, shower rod, new shower head, remove cables. Maybe replace that light fixture. So 2 blinds in this room. Might as well replace the fans so they match. If you're replacing the hardware, then you'd want to replace the closet handles as well. Light doesn't work in here. Need to install smoke detectors. Whoa. Okay. The light doesn't work in here either. It is tile. The condition of the tile seems to be fine, but you'd probably want to replace it anyway so everything matches. New shower head and blind and a towel rod.